respected dignitaries, respected chief guests, Professor Sharma Sarji, and all the dignitaries present on the dais, on the stage. It is a great honor today to be associated and to be standing here. Me and my brother Sanjeev Kela have started this company, Net Protector Antivirus, NPAV. It has been the guidance of my elder brother Sanjeev Kela, who had the vision to take our brand Net Protector to all over India and to also across different nations all over the world. So we are very proud to be associated with MVPM here, which is doing phenomenal work in the field of education, in the field of entrepreneurship and skill development under the able guidance of Shri Atul Bhau Lahoti. And that's why we feel that our donations are going to the right cause, because this institution is working day and night and working excellent in the field of education and for so many years, and because of which Maheshwari Samaj, the work which has been done by our MVPM has been excellent, so we are happy to be associated with MVPM. Atul Bhau has been our mentor and guide right since Sanjeev Bhau has been his friend from his college years when they were studying in COEP. Atul Bhau was studying. So Sanjeev Bhau always went to Atul Bhau for his guidance about business, about family. So we are thankful to Atul Bhau and we are associated with from a long time. Regarding Lahoti ji, Shamlal ji Lahoti, so Kela family, our sister Pushpatai Lahoti is a part of Lahoti family, wife of respected Lahoti ji. So Kela family has been associated with Lahoti, with the Lahoti family and this MVPM right from its birth. So that is also a concept and very excellent relationship which has come again round the clock, and we are now again back with Kela family here. Also, one of our sisters, Dr. Sunenda Rathi, I would like to mention her name because she has been done excellent work for MVPM from the start. So she's also a part of Kemal. She's also her sister. She's also Kela family. So we are happy that Kela family and MVPM has a long route. Also, our Masiji, Malti Masiji Chandak, who is also part of MVPM and doing great work for MVPM. So in a way, Kela family and MVPM has gone a long way. So here today we have sponsored the turf ground. So Net Protector Antivirus, like you know, नेट प्रोटेक्टर एंटीवायरस हमारा स्लोगन है कि लाइफ डिजिटली फिट तो आपका लाइफ सुपर हिट. सो डिजिटली फिट मीन्स दैट योर इम्यूनिटी इज गुड. सो फॉर द स्टूडेंट्स, आपके कंप्यूटर के लिए अगर आपका डिजिटली फिट होना जरूरी है तो आपका प्रोटेक्शन होना जरूरी है. उसी तरह स्टूडेंट्स के लिए बीइंग डिजिटली फिट, तो दे हैव टू बी फिजिकली फिट बाय यूजिंग दिस ग्राउंड फॉर देयर एक्टिविटीज. So in the world of COVID, it is very important to have good immunity. So students can enjoy this turf ground to increase their immunity, to play the sports and have a great immunity against all these viruses. So I would like to thank our father, late Shri Sham Lalji, Hiralalji Kela, in whose memory we have donated this turf ground here today. I would like to thank my mother, who has come here, Mrs. Nirmala Kela. Maji is also here, and we are all thankful to her. And also I'd like to thank Shaila Bhabhi Kela, who has been working for this company, for our family, for our NPV from her start of her association with our family. So also my wife Preeti Kela, who has been working for our company. So हम सब लोग मिलके, and also the new generation has joined us now, and they are also doing great for the company. So that is Aditya, Shreya and Akshay. So I would like to thank all of you, all our friends and relatives who came here today, who took out your time. Respected Arvind Jijaji, who came all the way, and Smita Tai, also Dr. Surendra Rathi ji, and all the relatives and friends who came here to attend this event. So I thank you very much from NPV team NPV. Thank you.
सुमित जी